Okay, in this video, we're going to explore permutation with restrictions, and so let's begin. So there's actually going to be two sets of problems. This first set, I chose a very small number, so we can actually visually see it also. And so let's begin. So you're sitting in a row, and you have three friends, A, B, and C. How many ways can you arrange them? Now this is a basic counting rule, where we have to use factorial. So if we use the little formula, it's 3 factorial. So it's going to be 3 times 2 times 1. So there's going to be 6 ways. But I'm also going to write it out. So we can have A, B, C. Now let's lock A. So then we could do A, C, B. Likewise, let's start with B. We can do B, A, C. And then we can do B, C, A. So now we have 4 ways. And the last one, we could start with C, C, A, B. Then do C, B, A. So you do see yourself that there are 6 ways to arrange. Now we can also have a restriction, like what if A and B have to sit next to each other? Maybe they're a couple. So the way we're going to do this as a strategy, we're going to group A and B. Then all we have left is C. So 1, 2. Now this is an example of 2 factorial because we have 2 slots, 1, 2. And so we get 2. However, we could also do BA and then C. And so all we have to do is double it. So we have 2 times 2, so we get 4 options. Because this option itself has 2 ways of doing it. You could put C here, or you could put C here. And we can also write out all 4. So we can do A, B, C, but we could also do C, A, B. So you do see A and B are locked. Likewise, we can do B, A, C, or we could do C, B, A. So those are the 4 options. Now, what if you have a scenario where A and B cannot sit with each other? Maybe they have a bad relationship. So if we do it the formula way, we would say no restriction, that was our first problem, minus number of ways that they sit next to each other. And so we saw no restriction, we had 6, restriction, we had 4, and so we're going to get 6 minus 4, we get 2 ways. Of course, we can show it. One way is A, C, B. And the other way is B, C, A. Now with this new set of problems, I'm just going to use it by the formula method. So you have 5 friends, A, B, C, D, E. How many ways can you arrange? That's going to be 5 factorial. So that's going to be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 6 is 120. So there's 120 ways. Now what if A and B have to sit next to each other? Well, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A and B have to be one slot. Then everybody else have their own slots. And so we're going to say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 factorials. And 4 factorial is going to be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And so we get 24. However, we need to double it because we could have instead B, A, and then do the same thing. C, D, E. So that's why we need to double it. So 24 times 2, we get 48. So 48 possible ways. The last one is, what if A and B cannot sit next to each other? So we do 120 minus 48, and we're going to get 72 ways. And that's pretty much it for this video.